Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And now, today's story titled, A Symbol of Hope. The Bridge of Unity. In a land divided by a deep, wide river, two villages existed on opposite sides, each with its own customs, beliefs, and way of life. The river had long been a source of division, with neither village willing to cross to the other side. The villagers lived in isolation, their lives separated by the flowing water. Yet, deep within the hearts of some, there flickered a yearning for connection, a spark that whispered of possibilities beyond the river's edge. They dreamed of a future where laughter and stories could flow freely between the two sides, breaking the chains of misunderstanding that had bound them for generations. One day, an old man named Jacob, who had lived in one of the villages all his life, decided that enough was enough. He had grown tired of the division and longed for a day when the two villages could come together in peace and understanding. With this vision in mind, he set out to build a bridge across the river. Jacob was not a young man, nor was he a skilled engineer, but he had a determination that was unmatched. Day after day, he worked on the bridge, cutting wood, gathering stones, and slowly constructing the foundation. The villagers watched in disbelief, many of them mocking his efforts, convinced that it was an impossible task. But with each plank he laid and every stone he placed, Jacob infused his work with a hope that resonated beyond the physical. The bridge, he believed, would serve as a reminder that true strength lies in the courage to reach out, even when the odds seem insurmountable. But Jacob was undeterred. He believed that the bridge was not just a physical structure but a symbol of unity, a way to bring the villages together. As he continued to work, a few curious villages began to offer their help. Slowly, the bridge took shape, and as it did, the attitude of the villagers began to change. Word of Jacob's endeavor spread, igniting a sense of curiosity and hope in the hearts of those who had long accepted the divide. People began to gather at the riverbank, not just to watch, but to participate in the vision of a united future, slowly transforming skepticism into solidarity. One morning, after years of tireless effort, the bridge was finally complete. It stood strong and sturdy, a testament to Jacob's vision and determination. The villagers gathered on either side of the river, hesitant at first, but eventually, they began to cross. For the first time in generations, the two villages met in the middle of the bridge. They exchanged greetings, shared stories, and soon realized that they were not so different after all. The bridge became a place of connection, where people from both sides could come together in friendship and understanding. Jacob's bridge did more than span the river, it spanned the divide in the hearts of the villages. It became a symbol of what could be achieved when one person dares to take the first step toward unity. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. Jacob's story reminds us of the power of unity and the importance of building bridges in our lives. In a world often divided by differences, it takes courage to be the one who builds the bridge, who seeks to connect rather than separate. You may face situations where division and misunderstanding seem to be the norm. It could be in your family, your workplace, or even within yourself. But like Jacob, you have the power to build bridges, to bring people together, to create understanding, and to foster unity. Embrace the spirit of Jacob as you navigate your own challenges. Remember that even the smallest act of kindness can ripple outwards, inspiring others to join you in the pursuit of connection. Each conversation you initiate, each hand you extend, can create a network of bridges that transform isolation into community. Building a bridge takes effort, patience, and the willingness to see beyond the differences. It's not always easy, and you may face resistance, but the reward is a stronger, more connected community. Let Jacob's story inspire you to be a bridge builder in your own life. Whether it's mending a relationship, fostering teamwork, or connecting with someone different from you, take that first step. The bridge you build today could bring unity and peace for generations to come. I hope you are inspired by today's story and learned some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Shalom. You will succeed.